I ain't bringing no more dead bugs up in this house. It was supposed to be dead. Now they done came back to life. And I gotta get they big flying asses out of here. 2 big ass cicadas. I was gonna add them to my dead bug collection. But they're a lot. They came back to life. Either I have resurrection superpowers or I don't know. Anyway, I like collecting dead bugs, but as you can see, I collected what I thought were dead cicadas. These bitches is alive and they wiggling and moving around in here, and I gotta get them out my house now.